Water problems are not simple. They're incredibly complex. Class is called Field Problems. It's a water resources class. The point of the class is that students in the program, whether they're policy-oriented or hydroscience-oriented, experience going out in the field. Not everybody is going to go out and be field techs when they graduate from the program, but I think everyone who graduates from this program should understand how the data might be collected. We have been focusing more on human anthropogenic impacts related to climate change, much more than when we started the class. A really successful person working in water management has got some experience in both of these realms. How you understand it, how you synthesize different sets of data together. I think that's the real value in this class and something that students aren't getting in other classes. One of the goals for the class is having students learn how to use all this instrumentation. Everything we're using is really commonly used in the real world. I'm always encouraging students to grab as many tools and as many experiences as they can. This idea of long-term data that we are generating with this class that's offered every year allows us to see these patterns that may help policymakers understand what is going on. It's not just, we had a dry summer, but we've had a whole series of dry summers. This is a program that really has sort of its one foot in academics and one foot out in the water world. It's our goal for the program and for the class is to make sure the latest, the best and the greatest tools and ideas are all conveyed to them.